So I'm assuming this question is when the stud is next to some sort of impediment, either a steel column or another stud or a jam, and you really don't have that space to get inside there to use a spacer bar or a U-channel. So in those cases, it's okay to switch over to a different type of bridging. And so if you're can get access to both faces of the stud, you can just use a piece of flat strapping and connect it with that. So you can switch from spacer bar or U-channel to flat strapping sort of indiscriminately, but you do have to, where you're using the flat strapping, you do need to have blocking installed 8 feet on center. I wouldn't worry about it if you're just trying to finish off the last, 12 inches of wall or 8 inches of wall.